Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Wolle's Yarn Creations. Welcome. Friend Biddy has been busy and has knitted some beautiful shawls lately. Today I'd like to show you 4 of them. They're all different in size, colors, shape, and techniques used, and I hope you see something you like and that inspires you. We have kits for all the shawls on our website, wollesyarncreations.com. And you can find the pattern names and the color names in the comments below. So let's get started. First shawl I'd like to share is called Painting Bricks by Stephen West. Just a beautiful, gorgeous shawl, one of my all-time favorites. As is often the case with Stephen's designs, it's a big shawl, crescent shaped, and I just love the colors. Love how they work together, how they blend together. They look elegant and vibrant all at the same time. Pattern is called Painting Bricks, and these are the colors we used. They're called Dogwood and Counterpane. This one is Dogwood. Dogwood has three shades of gray and black. This one is Counterpane, which has jeans blue, taupe, smoke, and red. 150 gram skeins with 720 yards. Takes a set like this to knit the Painting Bricks shawl, or of course there are many more choices online, but if you like this, we have this available as a kit. And as you probably know, we are offering all our colors in 2 versions. These are Counterpanes 1 and 2, and they're really the same in reverse order. Some people like center pull skeins, some people don't. That's why we offer them in both directions. But you get the same yardage per color change no matter which version you use. But for the shawl we used a set like this, Dogwood and Counterpane, 150 gram skeins with 720 yards each. This is how the colors look knitted up together. Beautiful work. Thank you, Biddy, for all your help and all your beautiful, beautiful work. Painting Bricks by Stephen West. The next shawl is also by Stephen. It's called Pierre. Similar in shape, a little bit smaller, but still a very good generous size. Happy bright colors. Different stitch details in this one. Pattern is called Pierre. And we use these 2 colors. These are 100 gram skeins. This one is called RAPHAELA. RAPHAELA has teal green, a mint teal green, and a bright happy sunflower yellow. And this one is Abstract, sapphire blue, bright Irish green, and a bright red. So RAPHAELA and Abstract together. It's 100 gram skeins with 480 yards to knit the Pierre shawl by Stephen West. Many more choices. If you choose your colors, make sure that all colors of one skein contrast with all the colors in the second skein. If you like this combination, we have this available as a kit. And it's called Pierre. This was written for a DK weight, which is twice as heavy and thick as the fingering weight we are using. The big advantage of using the fingering weight, as you see, is that it is highly wearable and manageable. It's a nice shawl, nice size shawl, You can wear it all year long and get a lot of enjoyment out of it. It's Pierre, pattern by Stephen West. Next one is called Harmonize by Romi Hill. Combines the gradient yarn with a solid contrast. You can see how the colors change. Different lace sections with some solid colors. This is an asymmetrical shape, also very wearable. I love how the colors work together. Our colors are pumpkin spice and natural. Pumpkin spice is a gradient, has these colors: pumpkin orange, bright lime green and spruce green, and the contrast is natural, which is an off-white. Again, more choices online, because you want to use a set that has a high contrast. In our case, that is pumpkin spice and natural. These are 100-gram skeins each. Beautiful lace work. The lace or the yarn in general blocks really well. It's all cotton yarn, 100% cotton. The beauty and the best is that the yarn retains the block. So if you make the effort and put the work in to block a shawl like this, it's a one-time effort. Retains the block beautifully and will give you a lot of joy. If you like to learn more about blocking cotton, there is a blog post on our website where I talk about how I block this yarn and some tricks, what I do. The shawl I'm wearing is my last sample for today. It's called Myr, spelled M-Y-R. This one is a free pattern on knitty.com. All the other shawls I showed you are available on Ravelry or on the designer's website. I don't sell the patterns and I'm not affiliated with any of them. So the one I'm wearing is called Myr. It's on knitty.com for free. And as you can see, it's a gradient that combines with an almost solid contrast. And the contrast makes the beauty of the shawl. Let me show you how it looks. It's a mesh stitch, easy lace, that is the same stitch throughout the shawl. Basically, one side shows the gradient and the other side shows the contrast. When you wear it, it makes a nice effect. Our colors are Foliage and Sun Tonal. This one is Foliage. It has a dark, vibrant pumpkin orange, merlot red, and navy blue. And this one is Sun Tonal. As the name implies, it's a tonal, which means that it changes colors, but very softly, almost imperceptibly. It's a mix. There are different yellow and gold shades. And these two together we used to knit that shawl. 100-gram skeins in color Foliage and Sun Tonal. And the pattern is called Myr. Lovely size and shape. And I like the effect when you wear it, how the gradient and the almost solid contrast. So these were the shawls I wanted to share with you today. Hope you saw something you liked, get inspired for your next project. Thank you for watching. Happy knitting.